Hand tools are essential items in everybody's house, and they haven't changed in 120 years. They've always been functional, but they haven't always been beautiful. At Plumber's Daughter, we want to change that. I've got a lot of feedback from women who didn't know that this was something that they wanted, and that's actually special to me. I recognize that you don't wake up one day and say, I need a toolbox. But when you realize that there's something out there, like, that's when it gets really special. You know, it's been through a lot of different iterations in terms of how is everything supposed to be fit in here? How does it look? How does it work? And with a lot of thought, you know, I've worked with some partners to engineer a perfectly balanced box. I mean, balanced to carry and also balanced to look at, that is labeled the right way. And the way I describe it is it's like a bouquet of flowers, right? It's in here in a particular way that if you were to go on Shutterstock and type in vintage tools, like, that's what you would find. If you typed in that in Google and were shopping for it, you're not going to find it generally. So it's been through a lot, and there's a lot of thinking behind what are the core tools that we need and that we're going to use. It's like, I don't need electrical tape hanging on here. Let's be honest, I don't want pink tools. I created high quality, hard-working, luxurious tools that both incorporate form and function. I want everything in my house that is mundane to be beautiful, and this is just one part of it. These tools are really special because there aren't others like it on the market. They haven't been created in gold tones with wood handles. You can buy one-offs anywhere, but what you can't buy is something all in one particular toolkit, and that's what I've created.